Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Brussels Car Show, where we have the chance to see the European premiere of the new Honda Jazz Crosstar. So this is the jacked up version, the more robust version compared to the standard Jazz, which we have the chance to see here. So tell me in the comments first of all which one is your favorite, but today's focus is the Crosstar. Now the facelifted Jazz has got a bit of a different grille, different front bumper, more, let's say, dynamic in my opinion, and also the lights have the darker housing, therefore making it more sporty. The specs of the hybrid powertrains have also been revised, and actually speaking about the specs, we can quickly check out here. So the hybrid with the eCVT transmission, 122 horsepower, and this is the total price here in Belgium. You can pause the video here, and I'm sorry for the flickering. But now let's continue the walk around. Now, as I said, a bit of a different grille and bumper. And from this angle, you see that we also get the new color for the wheels. These being the 15-inch wheels, 185/50 R18, that's the dimension of the tires. I really love this dual tone gray and gloss black. Wheel arches are the plastic ones to make it more robust. Now you see the comparison compared to the standard model. And the side skirts are also different. Notice the gloss black wing mirrors and the door handles on this model. Moving on to the rear, horizontal LED lights with the well-known signature, lettering for the hybrid powertrain, and also the Jazz Crosstar lettering. More robust rear bumper with this silver protective part. And yeah, well, that is the Crosstar. And if we take a walk around here, look at this. This is the standard version, but this is a special package which has the premiere here with the new Jazz as well. Urban Gray is the name of this color, if you are wondering. And you see Urban Gray Metallic, and you see here is the trim Advanced Sport. This is the new trim for the Honda Jazz. So tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Alright then, the first look and walk around with the new Honda Jazz Crosstar. Tell me in the comments how do you like it. Also watch my other video of the other car. There I filmed also the interior and the trunk as well as the magic seats. So you can see that in the other video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.